just came out from seeing Rumba Kings. I am from the Democratic Republic of Congo, and this was wonderful.
It was really, really beautiful and see our brothers and sisters, especially in the past, and what they have done. And it just made me proud of being Congolese.
We just saw Rumba Kings, unbelievable docu-film. Honneur à notre culture, la culture de la RDC, Congo, Zaïre. Vraiment honneur à nos musiciens, à nos artistes, à nos poètes.
I'm an artist from the Democratic Republic of Congo. This has put our music in the forefront. And for me, myself as an artist, it has inspired me to continue to push for our continent.
It is an amazing film. I'm not from the Congo, but I feel like I am Congolese at heart. Everyone should check it out, learn about such a rich culture of beautiful music and of beautiful people.
Please come support it massively. You won't be disappointed. It's emotional and definitely uplifting.
It will lift up your spirits, lift up your souls after the COVID pandemic. Everybody, please go see Rumba Kings.
Come discover Congo.